Hello and namaste to all the wonderful people out there. This is Neha, and I hope you all are doing wonderfully well and are keeping safe and sound. I welcome you back to my channel Soul's Rendezvous, where I address the questions that twin flames might come across while on their twin flame journey. It's a small effort from my side to guide you and help you progress on this journey. Let's get started and pick up today's request. Our request says, why is it easy for your twin flame to block you and cut off all the contact? It seems like it does not affect them, does it? Blocking does not always mean that the person who had blocked you do not want to be in contact with you, and hence he or she is taking the easy way out by blocking you. Maybe what you are quoting as easy could be the hardest thing they have ever done in their life. Maybe they have their own reasons of taking this step of keeping you away from their life so that you could be at comfort. It is pretty obvious to have such thoughts in your mind that with whom you want to be forever have shown such ignorance towards you by blocking you this way. However, things are not always the same as it looks like. In the initial phase of the journey, twin flames might have issues like anger, jealousy, fear, and all the negative thoughts might keep pondering them all over. Under influence of such hard feelings, they may also block you, but gradually, when they learn the lessons, they would be headed back to their home, which is you. Twin flame love is an unconditional love, and if he or she is your genuine twin flame, they would work on their self and would always return no matter what. It may seem like that it does not matter to your counterpart, but if you believe that they are other part of your soul, then how can it be possible that they aren't getting affected by it? They may choose to hide their emotions for you, but trust me, true love is never one-sided, and they feel the same pain you experience every single time. It's just that both the twins have their own ways to handle this journey for themselves, as it depends on their upbringing as well as the current circumstances in their lives. On this journey, twins struggle with their inner wounds, heal them, and it can be very frustrating at times, and achieving a state where you could be balanced is not as simple as it sounds. Till the time all their issues gets healed, they might end up with this blocking and unblocking game. However, they would certainly reach at a juncture where they would unfold their journey and understand how it actually works. Twin flame journey has been designed in such a beautiful manner that their paths will always cross, and this is entirely on the twin counterparts that how early or how late they heal on their journey and gets united. Union does not mean to be physically together. Union has yet another meaning and essence on this journey, where they may be distant physically but their souls accept each other one another time after repeated separations, and they come into the harmonious union. Loving unconditionally is not easy at all, and so is keeping them away from you. So, before being judgmental with any of the steps taken by your twin flame, first understand the real cause of it, and if you cannot think of any specific reason, you should never go by any assumptions also. This is because your twin would never want you to feel awkward or feel bad about anything when it comes to you both. Their priority will always be you and your happiness, be it even staying away from you. Believe me, this kind of love does not come easy, and it has a lot much to offer you, which would ultimately transform you into a better individual. Twin flame is a magical connection that can do wonders, and they can go extra miles for each other, and that is why it is all about the unconditional love. Trust your journey always, as you would be protected and are under divine guidance throughout. You just have to maintain the trust and keep going. Friends, with this, I would like to wrap up for this episode. Hope you have resonated with my views. Please comment about your twin flame experience. In case you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may comment or you may write to me at emotionsrandevous@gmail.com, and I would love to share it with our audience. Thank you so much for listening. Please do like and subscribe my channel and help me spread the word. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Take care and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.